Coming in, flex. I just wanna.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video today, man. And today's video is going to be special. I cannot stress this enough, guys, how much you guys are gonna love this one. I just got back from the dealership right now, man, and I picked up a new car 2 days ago. And I want to show you guys, but before I show you guys, I have something planned for today. I'm just gonna be a little busy during the afternoon, but later on in the night, my girlfriend hasn't seen my car. No one has seen my car, only my mom and my brothers, but that's it. No one knows about the new car that I got. So what I want to do is I want to go surprise my girlfriend. I just want to get their reactions and see how it goes. But before we do that, guys, I want to go ahead and show y'all the car, man. Y'all are absolutely gonna love this beast, man. So let's go ahead and get outside and get to it. Let's go.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of BANGS, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping, keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell a Mosialis, flawless, broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous, what's an ass since she isn't gorgeous. Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman, trying to touch a forest, do not know when knocking on the door is. Came in, did it like the Porsches. Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright. Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10,
Alright, guys, so as you saw in that clip, guys, yes, I did. I purchased myself a 2017 Mustang GT Premium. That is a beauty, man. That, like, I am super happy. I'm super excited. I'm super blessed, you know, to be able to have this sort of car and you know, just be able to have this opportunity, because, you know, life is short, man. And I saw this quote, man, and I was like, man, like, that's so true. Like, life is too short to be driving boring cars, bro. So, like, if you want to go get your car, man, go get your car, bro. Whatever you want to achieve, man, you got to put the work in, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just super blessed that I could be able to have this, you know. It's just, it's so beautiful in the driveway. It drives amazing, man. I can't wait to take you guys out on rides, man. But I'm going to go later on, drive this thing to my girlfriend's house and get her reaction. So, let's see how she reacts. Let's go.
I coffin, money clip, I tossed it. I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming. Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action.
Alright, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and be on my way to go pick up my girlfriend, so I'll catch you guys over there in a bit. Alright, guys, so we're pulling up to her house right now, man. We're about to go see her reaction, man. I'm excited to see what she says about this car, man. This is gonna be great, man. I hope she really likes it. I mean, she knows that I bought the car, but she just doesn't, she hasn't seen it in person yet. So that's what we're about to do right now. I'm about to pull up right here. But yeah, let's see what's up.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with.
It's taking a while. Oh, here she comes. What you think? Look at you. Thoughts?
Wow.
It's crazy, right?
It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's mine?
Of course it's not yours. Yours is right there, look. A little
I
Jeep.
want this one now.
Yeah? What do you think? You like it or what? God, you look so good, baby.
You like my hair?
Yes, you look amazing. You ready to go or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Let's go. What? She liked it, guys. She liked it. Let's go. It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
What do you think?
What do you think? I came to show you.
I love it.
Yeah, I already gave my thoughts on it.
In the video? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good job, babe.
Finally filming in a new car.
Finally.
Right. Man, this feels amazing. I don't know. I have no words. It's crazy. You look amazed. Oh my God.
I've never been inside of a Mustang.
This is crazy. But yeah, I mean, look at me
so
and her.
pretty.
Like, we have the same reaction. Like,
Anyways, what do y'all think of my hair? What do you think of my hair?
I like it.
Yeah?
She looks little, like a little baby. But she looks
Like
beautiful.
a baby?
Yeah. You know, because you know most babies they always have bangs.
Yeah.
But you can
But yeah.
rock it. You rock it good. Well, yeah, let's go. Let's start heading out. We're going to go to the mall right now. But we'll see you guys in a bit. Peace out.
Hey guys, so it's a brand new day. It's a different day now. We ended up forgetting to close the last this current video. So as we were editing the video, we realized that we didn't do the outro. So here it is.
See you guys in the next video.
We hope you like the car. We love it.
It's great. It drives well, runs well. Overall, good car. She likes it. I like it. So that's all that matters.
Yes.
So don't forget to leave a like, comment,
Share and subscribe.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of BANGS, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke if you asking. Don't gotta sell him, most of y'all is flawless. Broken whips as long as it is foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass if she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Free.